Hi, I'm Kristen with Unexpected Atlanta, your local guides for Atlanta history, food, and fun. We can't wait to meet you soon on one of our unforgettable walking tours. This holiday season, surprise your team with a unique Atlanta holiday party. In this video, we're sharing our favorite festive fun ideas. For an office holiday party everyone will love, book a party package at the Comet Pub and Lanes. This bowling alley in Decatur is owned by the same team behind the popular restaurant Twain's Brew Pub and Billiards. The Comet's party package includes bowling lanes, shoe rentals, house-made pizzas, drinks, and more. Plus, the Comet has arcade games, a full food menu, 16 beers on tap, and easy parking. A holiday bowling party is the perfect way to get your team mingling and connecting while sharing the joys of the season. Another unique holiday party theme for work? Take the team to the Cook's Warehouse here at Ansley Mall. Here you can take a fun holiday-themed cooking class and whip up some memories together in the kitchen. Holiday offerings at the Cook's Warehouse typically include classes like Italian Holiday Feast, Christmas Around the World, holiday platters and boards, and even a gingerbread house workshop. But if you'd rather host a party at the office, you can look for a local chef who will come to you for a cooking demonstration or class. Or for another interactive food idea, book the Grant Park Food Tour from Unexpected Atlanta. Now you can learn more about this walking tour and all of our other tours and team building experiences at unexpectedatlanta.com. Plus hit the like and subscribe buttons to follow along as we explore the city. From all of us at Unexpected Atlanta, happy holidays.